Miami facility is a clinical pharmacology unit that supports early phase and phase 1 studies. We are regarded as experts in first-in-human trials, which is very important when introducing new molecules to human subjects.
The Miami site is uniquely positioned within Quotient Sciences to help progress in the United States our Translational Pharmaceutics platform. Working with our manufacturing operations is very unique in regards to being able to allow our sponsors to benefit from almost a seamless environment between both the production of their clinical materials and, of course, our clinical research program.
As far as first-in-human, we of course do single ascending dose and multiple ascending dose studies. We also do food effect studies, drug-drug interaction, thorough QT studies. We can even support taste studies for pediatric formulations and microdosing studies. We do bioavailability and bioequivalent studies. Our safety laboratories, including serologies and drug screens, urinalysis, CMP and CBC are done in-house. We have a safety lab in-house, which is somewhat unique in this space.
As a pharmacy manager at Quotient Sciences Miami, I oversee the compounding of investigational products for dosing for healthy volunteers. We are able to accelerate the drug development process by compounding capsules, solutions, suspensions, and IV formulations. We follow USP 795, USP 797, and USP 800 standards. Our clean rooms are ISO 7, and our laminar airflow hoods are ISO 5s. We can compound sterile and non-sterile preparations. We're able to dose, interpret data, deliver results to quickly determine the right formulation.
We have a very robust volunteer roster. I think it's over 20,000 people now. Patient safety or volunteer safety is of paramount importance to us here and always our first priority. All of our doctors here are board certified subspecialists, and we have an excellent staff here. Everybody is advanced cardiac life support and basic life support certified.
Our board certified physicians includes our senior medical director, who is a hematologist oncologist, a PI who's a critical care intensivist, and our registered nurses, most of whom have over 10 years of experience conducting early phase trials, offers an advantage to pharmaceutical companies who are looking for experts in their first-in-human experience.
Project management plays a major role in all of our programs that we work with here at Quotient Sciences. With all the programs, there are many moving parts. Our particular team's main focus is overseeing really the success of the client's trial and their needs, and making sure from project kickoff until project completion that all goes well and that all is communicated very efficiently and as quick as possible to our sponsors. They need to feel like they are right here watching their study, through us.
Quality plays a big role in clinical trial, maybe one of the most important ones. Quotient Sciences is big in quality, comes from the top bottom. We have to make sure in any moment of our studies and the conduct of the study itself, it is under the good documentation practice. We have good quality from the moment that we start to the end. The subject's safety is the priority, and we have clean data. That's the only way that we can guarantee that whatever the medication, the IMP that is going to be released to the market is 100% secure.
I think in Quotient Sciences Miami, a lot of our expertise comes from our staff. We have many of our staff that have been with us for anywhere from over 10 to maybe even close to 20 years already. So that experience and that commitment to research and to phase 1 is invaluable. I think we offer a lot of advice and information to our sponsors when they ask us, look, this is our study, what do you think about it? And we can automatically let them know in terms of, whether the duration of this trial will be a problem, whether the criteria for inclusion exclusion could be an issue. It's just the fact that we have so much experience in performing these trials that it makes it easier for us to share some of this information because it's real.
What's unique to Quotient is that we can offer full service. We have not only the Miami site, but we have a site in Edinburgh that will do statistics and analysis, and will work closely with us and with the sponsors to deliver a clinical trial for our sponsor from inception all the way to delivery of the CSR.
Quotient Miami, the site itself is special not only because we have a spectrum of all these good experience and capabilities. In addition to that, we are open to communications, we open barriers, we always there to support the sponsor, to support the client needs, to support the volunteer safety, and we all get along. It is a big family. It is a multicultural, and you may be able to see it, it's a multicultural family that we are pushing all together for the same goal, the goal of having good medications, good safety medication out there.